In front of me is OPPO A80 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Apps. Then choose App Cloner and click on any app that you wish to clone. Following that, use this switcher to clone it and wait. Then you can rename it and save its new name by hitting Save. And also click on when using quick functions to apply one of those options. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings, tap on the No Blue switcher and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!